like, dude, the patterns I've just found and the technical analysis that I've just made, it's not only looking like a short term point of view. I'm looking at bigger point of views, like, because I know that whales from crypto market aren't really looking at short term time frames, because small time frames are for small traders. Like Bitcoin whales and like crypto whales in general come from stock market and forex. They're all traders. So traders from these markets don't really check the 30 minutes time frame, or I mean they scalp of course, but they always look at the bigger time frames. You know what I'm saying? So I have decided to check the weekly and the monthly to see what on earth is going on, and does it seem bearish as the last time we've seen it? So I will just give you my personal point of view about Bitcoin's movement. To be honest, it really seemed to be interesting. I'm pretty sure that my technical analysis will make a lot of sense and explain things to you. It will seem a bit scary because the movement I'm expecting isn't really bullish. If we look at it on the daily time frame, you can see that there is a bearish divergence on the VMC cipher. You see here on the volume, this was a bearish divergence as well. Not only that, even on the MACD, we could here see that there is a bearish divergence on the moving average, because you can see here on this highest high of this period of time, on our new highest high after our previous bull run where we've seen many NFTs and alts pumping, you could see that on the moving average Bitcoin is still forming a bearish divergence, which is not good for the market. I'm at least like expecting Bitcoin to be bearish, like forming a bearish movement for around like 4 to 6 months at least. Just in case if this scenario happens, the moving average is literally tanking over here. It might go below the volume. If it does, we will see crypto market crashing and then forming a new bottom. We have to consolidate before seeing a reversal, so I'm expecting, like, if we are going on a bull run, it should take a period of time consolidating, because we cannot just simply like pull back up. We need to do at least something like this over here, a triangle or a bullish pattern like cup and handle, or double bottom, or any reversal pattern. So it might take a while. Mostly I'm talking about the weekly time frame, which means it will take a lot of time. So because if we simply go up just like what happened here, this is a bearish flag. Bitcoin, we are going to start with our Gann fan in order to like check our supports and resistances. We have to use Fibonacci as well. So I'm going to start with my Gann fan. So I'm going to start here from the bottom, from our previous, like from this from 10th of December 2018, and we are going to make it like search for a connection level between it and our current all-time high, where we are going to form our Gann fan. We are going to take this Gann fan over here and do it at the 45 degree. This one looks accurate. So yeah, we are going to use the 45 degree over here. I don't want to move the Gann fan to this 45 degree because this one looks more accurate. So I will just zoom in, or maybe zoom out. Yeah, zoom out until, yeah, there it goes. We are now at 45 degree from that zone, and I'm going to go to the bottom over here and look for a 45 degree. Make sure to not zoom in or zoom out after you do it, so it's accurate. Yeah, moving on now to this one. This is our bottom here. We are going to form our Gann fan. So yeah, now we could delete the angles. So as you can see that this Gann fan looks super accurate, because you see here a pullback from this blue downtrend and then broke above it, couldn't break the orange one, kept consolidating, broke below the red one. And you could see that the bottom was here on the Gann fan, on this blue downtrend, and on the purple uptrend. This was our bottom in Bitcoin. It went up, made a fake out over here because of Elon's tweet. So whales pushed the price back down, failed to break above, break above and pull back up, from there. So it broke below the red one. So either we could see a retest over here from this purple one, which is our current price right now at $34,837. Either we see a pullback up from this level till $44,000, which will be a good short in my opinion for Bitcoin. Otherwise, if we fail to close a candle above that level of support, I think that we will see Bitcoin at $28,589, which will be my next bottom after this one. In case we fail, looks like this one is going to be a strong resistance, so there would be a good possibility of going down to this strong level of support which is at $16,689, which kind of seems impossible for most of people, but trust me dude, nothing is impossible on the crypto market, because I have checked Bitcoin history on the Wikipedia and I've seen super huge movements on the crypto market. Like, as long as it goes, like, as much as it goes up, it could go down, like, trust me. So in my opinion, either we see a pullback up from here or from $28,300, or last but not least $16,612. These are my bottoms for Bitcoin. You see here on this dump, Bitcoin didn't really look bearish as much as it is now. So yeah, the closure was a lot above the volume. As you can see here, when it crossed, it dumped. We see a pullback up from here, crossed above the volume, but then you see this is where we at right now. These levels aren't really different from the last Bitcoin dump, but here it looks more bearish on the MACD. Even on the VMC cipher, there is a bearish divergence. So USDT dominance, if it goes down, the market goes up, but if it goes up, the market goes down. So here we could see that there is a huge uptrend on the USDT dominance for the midterm time frame. Here we've got a horizontal resistance which is a super strong midterm resistance over here that we're currently sitting on. If we actually break above this resistance, we'll see huge crash on the market. I think that we might be heading over here at 6.5%, which is around I think it's around $2,800 or something like that. Let's check CELR though. I posted a short as well on it. Our entry was here. Boom. Easy 26% profits. Let's go, guys. This is super amazing. I'm feeling super well today because we made profits while longing, and then we made profits while shorting. Like nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Checking ANT, looking good for short over here. Oh, it's good. It's looking good for short. Stop loss would be 27%. ANT, good entry. This is amazing. Someone wanted to see a live scalp. There you go. Thank you for recommending this one. Let's see how it goes. Near TP1, let's go. Yes, near reached our first target. Easy 30% profits. We are literally printing money right now.